Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of fixing Wi-Fi connection issues on your Sharp Aquos TV. If you're experiencing problems connecting your TV to your home Wi-Fi network, follow these instructions to troubleshoot the issue. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi network status. Before troubleshooting your TV, ensure that your Wi-Fi network is up and running. Check other devices in your home, like smartphones or computers, to confirm that they are connected to the Wi-Fi. If they're not, reset your router. Step 2. Restart your Sharp Aquos TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity problems. Unplug your TV from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Access the network settings. Using your remote, press the Home button. Navigate to Settings by using the arrow keys. Once in the Settings menu, select Network or Network Settings. Step 4. Select Wi-Fi connection. In the Network menu, look for the option labeled Wireless or Wi-Fi. Select this option to view available wireless networks. Step 5. Choose your Wi-Fi network. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Locate your home Wi-Fi network from the list and select it. Step 6. Enter Wi-Fi password. You will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Carefully type in your password using the remote, ensuring there are no typos. Select Connect once you've entered the password. Step 7. Confirm connection. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can also check your TV's network status in the settings to verify the connection is active. Step 8. Reset network settings, if needed. If you're still having trouble, consider resetting the network settings on your TV. Go back to the network settings and look for Network Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the reset. Step 9. Update TV firmware. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Navigate back to Settings, then select System Update or Software Update. Ensure your TV has the latest updates installed. Step 10. Contact support. If all else fails, consult the Sharp customer support service. They can provide further assistance and troubleshooting steps specific to your model. Thank you for watching this fix guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more useful content.